Hello everyone, I am Praveen and this session's topic of discussion is concept of data types. Data can be of many types, example character, integer, string, etc. A letter or digit or symbol enclosed in single quotes represents character data. Numbers without fractions represent integer data. Numbers with fraction represent real data and anything enclosed in double quotes represents a string. Since the data to be dealt with are of many types, a programming language must provide ways and facilities to handle all types of data. Java, like any other language, provides ways and facilities to handle different types of data by providing data types. So what are data types? Through the use of data types, we can identify the type of data and associated operations of handling it. जावा में जो डेटा टाइप्स होते हैं they can be classified into primitive and reference data types. Primitive data types are predefined and they come as a part of Java language. There are 8 primitive data types which are byte, short, int, long, float, double, char and boolean. On the other hand, reference data types are constructed from primitive data types. They can be classes, arrays, string, and interface. But their storage mechanism is different from primitive data types. Note: a reference data type is also used to store the memory address of an object. These data types generally store the memory addresses of a class or an array. The variables storing memory addresses are known as reference variables, and their data type is known as a reference data type. Primitive data types. Primitives are the basic data types. The word primitive means a fundamental component that may be used to create other larger parts. That is, primitive data types can be used for the construction of reference data types. Thus, by primitive data types, we mean fundamental data types or predefined data types offered by Java. Predefined data types are categorized into numeric integral, fractional primitive types, character primitive types, and Boolean primitive type. Numeric integral types. The data types that are used to store numeric values fall under this subcategory, that is numeric primitive data types. There are 4 numeric integral types in Java: byte, short, int, and long. All integral numerical types store integer values, that is whole numbers only. The storage sizes and the range of values supported by numeric integral types is listed in the table. So we can conclude that to find the range of a numeric data type, we need to know its size in bits. Fractional numeric types. The integral numbers covered above could store only whole numbers, that is, they could not have decimal values. Fractional data types can store fractional numbers, that is, numbers having decimal points. These are also called floating point data types. Following table displays various floating point data types available in Java, along with their ranges. The float data type can store decimal values for precision up to 6 points. The double data type can store decimal values for precision up to 15 digits. Now, depending upon your requirements for the decimal precision of the data, you can select from float or double types. Note: by default, Java treats fractional numbers as of double data type. Example: if you write 0.234, it will be treated as a double value. To explicitly specify it to be of float type, use suffix capital F or small f. That is, write 1.234 small f or 1.234 capital F. Similarly, if you use suffix small d or capital D, it means double. That is, 1.234 capital D or 1.234 small d means it is a double value. Character types. The character data type or char data type of Java is used to store characters. A character in Java can represent all ASCII as well as Unicode characters. Because of Unicode characters, the size of char data type of Java is 16 bits, that is 2 bytes, in contrast to 1 byte characters of other programming languages that support ASCII. Following table lists the size and range supported by a char data type. The size is 16 bits. Boolean type. Another type of the primitive data types is the type Boolean. It is used to represent a single true or false value. A Boolean value can have only one of two values, true or false. In a Java program, the words true and false always mean these Boolean values. A special branch of algebra, Boolean algebra, is based on Boolean values. Following table lists the size and range of Boolean data type. Talking about its size, Java reserves 8 bits but only uses 1 bit for storing either true or false. Note, true or false is not a keyword but are reserved words. It is also very useful in logic test with if statements. Reference types. Broadly, a reference in Java is a data element whose value is an address. Arrays, classes, and interfaces are reference types. The value of a reference type variable, in contrast to that of primitive type, is a reference to the value or set of values represented by the variable. In order to understand reference types, the knowledge of variables is required, which will be presented in the next video. Hence, we shall first talk about variables and then get back to the discussion of reference types. Thanks for watching. आप अपने डाउट्स कमेंट सेक्शन में टाइप कर सकते हैं. Stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you once again.